What's up, dudes? Welcome to our productions. Today is another tasteless day. I don't care if it's like all sucky and everything. I just wanted to do another one because there's no videos to do. Alright? Yeah. Ooh. So today we're gonna be doing. Just look on your top bar and your bottom left. Bottom left. Try to guess what it is. Try to guess what it is. Try to guess. You can see the word right there. I find this Fruit Loops. I know. Fruit Loops everywhere. There's 2 different flavors actually. Let's check out the flavors, of course. And so these are the flavors. Alright, so let's get things started. That was necessary there. Alright, wonderful though. So let's get started. Number 1, what is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? This is actually Berry Blast. I'm trying to take like only some of the pieces. Here we go. Alright, Berry Blast. Here we go. Kind of sour, but good still. I'll give that as a 10 out of 10. So let's go hard over here, or here, or here maybe. I don't know which one still, but so yeah. Berry Blast. 10 out of 10. Of course, 10 out of 10. Last flavor. I know this is a short video, but I'm just trying to talk a lot so that I can make a longer video. Look at that colors. So it's strawberry splash. Let's get started. Still tastes like Berry Blast. Alright. Let's do this. That's so hard there. My eye is so winky. My eye's too winky right now. Okay, thumbnail. That's right. Oh.
And his name is John C.
Right. That's it. Oh my gosh. Right. Let's clean out all this mess right now. Absolutely, I like this one. I didn't get to record it, so 10 out of 10. Zero, actually 0. Alright, that's it. Alright, last piece. Bon appetit. This is the best one. Well, but whatever. Alright, so after that was you guys tomorrow. Next week maybe. So yeah, peace out, dudes. Peace out, alright. Yeah, peace out. I might film another video tomorrow actually. About the gaming lair. Subscribe to my gaming channel. Actually, Chris does gaming. But yeah, must be it today. Go ahead and leave a like if you want. And I don't care. Still, I do not care if there's any hate comments down below. Getting sick and tired of it. And if you try to annoy me from the hate comments, I know what to do, bro. I know what to do.
And his name is John C.